Hi, Tucker No here with Three Creeks Capital Management. Today I'm going to talk to you about taxes as it relates to the partial lump sum option plan. When I worked at STRS for 7 years, one of the things that people always asked me about was, should I take a partial lump sum option or a PLOP? So this applies for both STRS and OPERS members. What's the taxes that you would owe in the event that you take a partial lump sum option? First and foremost, no matter which system you're part of, when you take a partial lump sum option, those dollars are pre-tax dollars, meaning they came out of your paycheck, went into the retirement system. So if you take money in a partial lump sum option, you will eventually pay tax on it. Now, the question becomes, when do you pay tax? First is, if you do a rollover from the retirement system to an individual retirement account, you do not pay tax on that rollover. You will pay tax when you take money out of the IRA. However, if you take a partial lump sum option as cash paid to your checking account, when you retire, you will then pay tax on those dollars that you take. It will be included in your income and is fully taxable. I caution you on doing this particular move with the partial lump sum option, okay? So if you have questions about this related to your specific situation and what taxes may apply based on how you fill out that application, please give me a call. Visit our knowledge library on our website for more information. We'd be happy to help you make the most sense of your partial lump sum option. Thank you.